Hi guys, it's FX Bill Official. In this video guys, I want to show you guys the progress of our trading robot in just a $462 account in 4 days of trading with the robot. So man, stick with me to the end of this video. So before we start guys, I would like to show you guys the deposit in this account. So the deposit in this account, right? So let's scroll down. So right, you can see over right here, $462 was deposited into this account, right? Which we connected the FXV Pro Robot, and you can see the profit of $57 in this account. It means that the robot has given us almost close to 50% of this account in just 4 days of trading, which you can see over right here. And the total profit over right here is now $519, right? So which you can see yourself, and you can see over right here through my computer that all the trade over right here we are taking with FX Bill Pro Bot, FX Bill Pro Robot, the robot that takes all the trade, and you can also see the losses and the consistency in this robot. So man, if you're interested or you have been trading blowing up your account, you want to make consistent profit guys, just hit us direct and join our Telegram group to see the power of consistency and witness the power of FXB Pro Robot. You don't need to be a Forex Pro trader before you start making profit, or people telling you you need to buy courses, you need to go. No, these are for the people. Maybe you can still be in your office, still making money in the financial market, trading with FX Bill Pro Robot. Thank you guys for staying with me to the end of this video. Please don't forget to turn on the subscription bell and subscribe.